Originally, I'm a registered nutritionist, did a degree in nutrition, was really interested in how food impacts people, and that's where I first came to Compass Group, making sure our workplace offerings are balanced and we are promoting health and well-being in the businesses that we serve.
I'm currently an apprentice chef de partie here and work as part of our 14-strong team here at Haileybury School. When I realised I wanted to be a chef, I wanted to get a qualification and have something to show for my time in the kitchen. My job here at Compass was a great way to do that, and they were more than happy to help me build my skills and put me on the course that I'm on now, which has been wicked. I was absolutely chuffed to win Compass Apprentice Chef of the Year. The whole competition was super intense but super fun at the same time, and the standard was really high, so to be able to say that I won and be really proud of myself and proud of the dishes I put up, I was beyond chuffed.
As a general manager here in the hospital, I look after everything food. When I got highly commended in the Multicultural Apprenticeship Award, it actually is such an honor for me. And it gave me a sense of affirmation that what I'm doing is being seen. I'm actually the lead ambassador for Pride in Food in my healthcare sector that I work with the diversity and inclusion team for Compass. What I'm doing right now is building a community within the workplace, not just a team. So I use my own personal experience to actually invigorate and liberate and also make everyone feel inclusive within the workplace.
We have a net zero goal by 2030, and I really wanted to get involved in that, and there's significant overlap between nutrition and sustainability. And that's when I was approached to go on the apprenticeship. It's a level 7 sustainability business specialist apprenticeship. I'll receive a master's degree in sustainability.
So for anyone who's thinking about a career in hospitality, for me, I absolutely love the fast-paced nature of it. I love that you're doing something different every day, and it can be really, really rewarding. If you're looking to learn and continue building and growing your skills, an apprenticeship is the perfect way to do that, and it absolutely has been for me. And so I can't recommend it enough.
I thought apprenticeship is someone when after your A-levels, you just go in and join your apprenticeship. But actually it's not. It's someone to actually willing to learn more and develop and progress their career. If you love to be creative, if you love to be having that one-to-one interaction with people, this is a job that actually you can be in.
My short-term goals are just to finish my apprenticeship, do really, really well. I'd really like to travel. I obviously have a degree in English literature and I love chefing and everything food, so the dream is really to combine those three things. Throughout my apprenticeship, I've been really, really fortunate enough for Compass to offer me some wicked opportunities across the whole business, so I wouldn't have had if it wasn't for Compass and their links within the business.
I think apprenticeships are really important, and I'm really grateful that Compass have supported me on my apprenticeship journey, particularly as an individual. I think it's really good to give you that platform to take the next step in your career or even start a career in a different direction.
Compass has helped me so much with the apprenticeship because they actually have a really good learning and development team. So it actually tailored to what I'm currently doing with Compass.
I'm very glad I started my apprenticeship. It is extra work and it is sometimes going to be challenging, but really just trying to have that long-term vision of the benefit that it will bring to yourself and to the business, and how you can really add value through that apprenticeship.